Assalamu alaikum, children. Are you ready to learn something amazing today? We're going to discover one of Allah's beautiful names together, a name that shows us just how powerful and strong our Creator is. Let's learn about Al-Qawee. The name we're learning today is Al-Qawee. Can you say it with me? Al-Qawee, Al-Qawee. This beautiful name means the all-strong. Allah is the source of all strength in the universe. When we say Allah is Al-Qawee, we're saying He is the all-strong. Just look around you at the amazing things Allah has created. He made the mighty mountains that stand so tall and strong. He created the vast oceans that are so deep and powerful. Allah even holds up the enormous sky without any pillars, and He takes care of everything in the universe with His perfect strength. Let's take a moment to think about Allah's strength in nature. When you see tall mountains reaching up to touch the clouds, or strong trees standing firm against the wind, you're seeing signs of Allah's incredible strength. These amazing creations show us just a tiny bit of Allah's power. But do you know what's really special about Allah's strength? It's not just powerful, it's also gentle and caring. Just like how your parents use their strength to protect you and help you, Allah uses His perfect strength to take care of all His creation with love and mercy. Now, let's think about times when you feel Allah's strength in your own life. Maybe when you're scared at night and you remember that Allah is protecting you. Or when you need to be brave to try something new, and you ask Allah to give you strength. Allah's strength is always there to help you do good things. Remember, dear children, whenever you need strength, Allah Al-Qawee is always there for you. His strength never gets tired or weak, and He's always ready to help those who ask Him. So next time you need to be strong, remember this beautiful name of Allah, Al-Qawee, the All-Strong.